Ciao a tutti! Today we are making my Italian house bread. Put the flour and the sugar in a large bowl. Then add the yeast mixture to the flour. Now you can start to knead the dough for a while. Wait 10 minutes before you add the salt. The dough has a very sticky consistency. When you're done kneading, cover the dough with a towel and let it rest at room temperature for about 16 hours. Because of this long rest period, the yeast has enough time to grow and develop a good flavor. In the end, you have a very digestible aromatic bread. Fold the bread like I do it. Gently form the dough into a ball and put it in the hot iron pot. After 50 minutes, you can put the lid down and let the bread bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. This is my favorite bread for a delicious bruschetta, for example with oven roasted tomatoes or grilled artichokes. Try it, you will love it!